So last night was the 4th of November, and today is Bonfire Night, I guess. And it's something that I had never heard of before coming to the UK, but apparently it's a big holiday here, and last night I experienced my first Bonfire Night fireworks. They were done a day early over All Souls, which is a college directly across from Brasenose, across Radcliffe Square from where I am, and I hope you guys enjoy these clips. So tonight is the night before Bonfire Night.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'm here with some people who've experienced many Bonfire Nights before. And apparently there's fireworks. I know not you. But apparently there's fireworks, and there's fireworks happening above All Souls, right there, like this.
Pretty good timing.
And Charlie's going to explain a little bit about the meaning behind Bonfire Night, I guess. So.
Hello?
Charlie, what's Bonfire Night?
Okay, in the reign of King James, Catholics weren't particularly treated very well in England, and so a group of Catholic conspirators got together to decide they'd blow up the Houses of Parliament and kill the king and impose their own Catholic dictatorship on Britain, because you have one form of repression, you replace it with another. He was stopped, or they were caught as they were digging the tunnel, and so as a part of a propaganda piece, the king had him and his conspirators tortured repeatedly for several days until they signed their confessions, whereupon they were publicly hung, drawn and quartered, and as part of our great English tradition of burning effigies of people who don't follow the status quo, we still continue to burn effigies of Guy Fawkes and celebrate his torture 400 years on.
Extreme.
Accurate.
Oh, Jesus, Topper.
Oh!
And now people use Guy Fawkes as a metaphor for freedom fighting, despite the fact he also wanted to put in a repressive religious dictatorship himself. So, funny how symbols change.
Thank you. It's a rad cam, you can't really see it, and there's All Souls.